understand today that no matter how God gets you through it, I come to tell you that he's going to get you through it. Can y'all clap your hands and can you magnify the Lord with me on this morning? Amen. I know sometimes the enemy have people that come against you. I feel this now. He have people that speak against you. He has people that's really not for you. Can I preach it? But I want to tell you to know that everybody that's for you is getting ready to be slain by the Lord. I feel that there. Don't you worry about no hater. Don't you worry about nobody who's against you. But you got to focus on the one that's for you. But let me just take my time through this ad to let you know that if God is for me, forget a hater. If God is for me, you ain't got to forgive me. If God is for me, I don't got to worry about a job